Your next breakdown is gonna cost you. The only question is, how much?
Seat sensor, $1,400.
Thermostat, $2,600.
Transfer case, $6,000.
This driver pays for car repairs themselves, and this driver doesn't. They've got Endurance.
I have saved over $4,300. I will never pay for covered car repairs again.
Less than 1 year after signing up, Endurance saved me over $7,000.
It was like almost a $6,000 job. Endurance covered it.
If your car's out of warranty, a busted radiator could cost you $1,100. A transmission, that's another $5,000. If your engine goes, $8,000 to get it fixed. With Endurance, your car's most expensive repairs are covered, parts and labor included.
In my first year with Endurance, they covered a $14,000 engine replacement.
I've saved thousands and thousands of dollars.
Plus, Endurance lets you pick the mechanic you trust to do the work, or take advantage of their VIP repair network.
We tell them what needs to be fixed, and they just say it's covered.
And the best part? Your rate stays the same no matter how many claims you file.
I expected my rate to change, and it never did.
And coverage costs less than you think.
Endurance was so inexpensive, I just had to get it.
Totally beat every other competitor.
Whether you put 10,000 or 100,000 miles a year on your car, if it's under 20 years old, Endurance has you covered. Plus, your plan includes 24/7 roadside assistance anywhere in the country.
So, who's gonna pay for your next car repair? You or Endurance?
Right now, you can get $300 off any plan, plus a year of elite benefits, a $2,000 value, free, all backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. But you have to act now. Visit EnduranceWarranty.com or call 1-833-440-5045 for a free quote. That's 1-833-440-5045.